Hello children, welcome back to the e-learning class. Today we are going to learn the new topic, that is the baby wolf. Children, open page number 58. Let us read the story, The Baby Wolf. Wolves live in deep jungle. One day, Rio, a baby wolf, lost its way and entered a village. Rio saw a few calves playing in a shed. He went there and started talking to the smallest calf, Nancy. They liked each other a lot and became friends. Nancy invited Rio inside the shed. Once inside, he saw shelves full of different kinds of dry grass and leaves. On one shelf, there were many small knives and loaves of bread. On the topmost shelf, there was one long green leaf. Rio jumped up to sniff the big leaf, and down fell a big loaf of bread and a very big knife. This scared Rio and he ran out of the shed. He kept on running until he was tired and felt out of breath. So he decided to look around and find a safe place to hide. When he looked around, he was really surprised and equally happy. Children, this story is about the baby wolf. हिंदी में वुल्फ को भेड़िया कहा जाता है. Once upon a time, there was a deep jungle. Wolves live in the deep jungle. One day, Rio, a baby wolf, he was wandering in the jungle alone, and he lost his way and entered a village. However, Rio reached to the village. He saw a few calves playing in a shed. काफ का मतलब है हिंदी में इसे बछड़ा कहा जाता है. Rio went there and started talking to the smallest calf named Nancy. Rio and Nancy liked each other a lot and they both became friends. Nancy asked or invited Rio inside the shed. Rio entered in the Nancy's shed. There he saw shelves full of different kinds of dry grass and leaves. On one shelf there were many small knives and loaves of bread. Loaves means a molded mass of bread. On the topmost shelf, there was one long green leaf. Rio was curious to know that what is there on the topmost shelf. So he jumped up to sniff the big leaf but not succeed. Sniff meaning is inhale. हिंदी में इसे सूंघना भी कहा जाता है. Suddenly, a big loaf of bread and a very big knife fell down. बच्चों, यहाँ रियो ने देखा कि शेल्फ में चाकू और पाव रोटी है और सबसे ऊपर वाले शेल्फ में बड़ी हरी पत्ती है. इसे देखकर रियो आकर्षित हुआ और उसने इस बड़े हरे पत्ते को सूंघने के लिए सबसे ऊपर वाले शेल्फ में छलांग लगा दी. अचानक से उसके नीचे वाले शेल्फ में से चाकू और पाव रोटी नीचे गिर गए. Children, let us see what happened in the next. Now Rio got scared and he ran out of the shed. He kept on running until he was tired and felt out of breath. After long time, he felt breathless. So he decided to look around and find a safe place to hide. When he looked around, he was really surprised or amazed and equally glad. Children, can you guess why he was happy? Share the reason with your parent. He was amazed and equally glad to see that he found his way back to home. Children, here we have finished the story with the explanation. I hope you all enjoyed the story. Children, in this story there are bold words like wolves, calves, shelves, leaves, knives and loaves. Now it's time to find out or identify the singular words of the given plural bold words. Now children, let's learn the next rule of making singular and plural. A singular name ending in F or FE takes VES in its place to make it plural. Let us see few examples. Children, to form the plural of a noun that ends in F or FE, we replace the F or FE with VES. Let us take first one noun ending with F or FE. WIFE, wife. Now we will make its plural by replacing FE with VES. We are going to replace FE with VES. Now here is the plural of wife, wives. Let us see the second one example. LIFE, life. Now once again this noun ends with FE. Now we will replace this FE by adding VES while making its plural. LI, we are going to replace FE with VES. Now here is the plural of life, LIVES, lives. Now let us see the third one example. THIEF, thief. Okay. Now while making plural of this word or noun, we will replace this F with VES by adding VES. So let us start. THIE. Now we are going to replace F by adding VES. So here is the plural of thief word. THIEVES, thieves. Now let us take one more word or noun. We will take now from the story only. Wolf, WOLF. Now while making its plural, we will replace this F by adding VES while making its plural. Now W O L F we are going to replace while making its plural by adding VES. Now here we will get the plural of wolf. Wolves. I hope you all understood. Children, let's do one activity. First example, SCARF, scarf. It is a singular noun. Let's make its plural by replacing F with VES. Now let us read SCARVES, scarves. It is a plural noun. Second example, HOOF, hoof. It is a singular noun. Let's make its plural by replacing F with VES. HOOVES, hooves. It is a plural noun. Let us see the next one. LEAF, leaf. It is a singular noun. Let's make its plural by replacing F with VES. LEAVES, leaves. It is a plural noun. Let's see the next one example. DWARF, dwarf. It is a singular noun. Let's make its plural by replacing F with VES. DWARVES, dwarves. Children, till now we learnt how to convert singular noun into plural. Let us learn converting plural to singular one by one. Let us take one example from the story. CALVES, calves. Children, it's a plural noun. Let us convert into singular. While converting this noun into singular, we will replace VES by adding F or FE. Let us start. CAL. We are going to replace VES by adding F or FE. As we know, the spelling of calf is CALF, calf. So we will add here F. Now CALF, calf. Singular noun. Let us start with another example. LOAVES, loaves. It is a plural noun. Let us convert into the singular. We are going to replace VES by adding F or FE. So let us start. LOA. We are going to replace VES by adding F or FE. So as we know, the spelling of loaf is LOAF. So here LOAF. A F, loaf. Singular noun. Let us take one more example. KNIVES. While making this plural noun into singular, we will replace VES by adding F or FE. KNI. Now we are going to replace VES while adding F or FE. As we know, the spelling of knife is KNIFE. So here we will add FE. KNIFE. Knife. Singular noun. Let us take one more example. SHELVES. Shelves. Now we are going to replace VES by adding F or FE. So let us start. SHEL. Now we are going to replace VES by adding F or FE. As we know, the shelf spelling is SHELF. So we will add here F, SHELF. Singular noun, shelf. Understood, dear children? Remember, children, a few words do not follow the rule. For example, chef, chefs. Now, children, let's go to the textual page, page number 58. I act. Question number 1. Write the one word for the bold words in the passage. One example has done for you. Children, do it by your own. Question number 2. What was replaced in the one word to make it many with VES? As we learnt about, if a noun ends with F or FE, replace F or FE by adding VES to make its plural. Children, write the answer by your own. Let's go to the next question. I practice. Write plural nouns for the following singular nouns. Children, complete the question by your own. Now, children, here we will stop. Let us meet in the next e-learning class with new topic. Till the time, stay home, stay safe. Thanks for watching.